Hey everybody, Brock Frady here, helping you enjoy your ride. Have you ever been driving and someone in the oncoming traffic at night and they have the LED headlights that are so popular right now and they are just overwhelmingly bright? And maybe you flash your brights or you just do this, which is dangerous, but then you realize as you get closer to them that they don't have their brights on. It's just the way LED lights are nowadays, and you're like, man, I wish somebody would do something about that. Well, Hyundai has done something about that. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust it so that it becomes less likely that you will blind people at night when you're just driving along minding your own business. I'm also going to throw in a few bonus tips on how to adjust some of your light settings in your Hyundai, because these are really, really cool, interesting settings. Let's jump right in. And the way we're going to get there is to go to our home screen, swipe right, setup, vehicle, driver assistance, lights. Did you know that you have a one-touch turn signal indicator? So that whenever you're changing lanes and you don't want to fully engage the turn signal, you can just press it down. And without fully engaging it, all you need to do is push it left or right, and do not all the way push it up, but just... And you can adjust that to either off, 3 flashes, 5 flashes, or 7 flashes right here. And the one that I prefer is 3 flashes, so I'm going to leave that right there. You can also adjust the welcome light, and that's the light that the vehicle has when the smart key will turn on the puddle lights and the door handle lights. You can deactivate that, and you can see what that is pointing to. That's what that is right there. And now that's on. So there's a little light under your mirror and a light inside the door handle that will light up for you. Headlight delay. And when the ignition is turned off, the exterior lights will turn off after 15 seconds. I like that to be active because when I'm going into my house, I like for the vehicle to light my way. High beam assist. This is what I was talking about in the intro. Assist in reducing the high beam glare, which affects drivers in oncoming vehicles. Interior lights always on. That illuminates the interior buttons and switches at all times. I really, really like that, because if you're fumbling around in the dark and you can't see or you can't remember where a particular function is, this will illuminate them so that you know where they are. And so that is how you access your vehicle light settings to make it more convenient and also more safe to drive your Hyundai. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day.